Can I have this? Okay, he needs to get out because he's gonna keep taking this. No, I'm hide these. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mandy. I'm Lyssa, and today we are obviously back with another video, and I'm gonna let us introduce it. Today we are doing
24-hour handcuff challenge.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some fun stuff today. Alright. He took the iPad. He legit just took it in there. Okay. Oh God. So we are going to be handcuffed for 24 hours. Okay, Alyssa, let him be. Let him be. Do we have to restart this video?
No. Thank you.
Oh my God, let's get him out of here because he's making so much noise. It's fucking fine.
Okay.
Okay, in. Shh. Okay. Okay, so if you guys don't know what 24-hour handcuff challenge is, it's where we're literally handcuffed for 24 hours. We're going to be doing some fun stuff today. There are going to be sometimes where we are going to unhandcuff, but then we're just going to add time to the timer that I'm going to start and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, we're excited for this. You ready?
Recording. Okay. Alyssa, you're going to be on this side. No, I'm in the video tape you're playing it on.
Okay, can we get out of the hallway, please? I don't want to be a bitch, but Dad is really trying to sleep.
Make sure there's a lot of space. For her. I don't like this already. That's good. Yeah.
You're not even recording it.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, that. No, you can't go that far. You have to have it so one's out. Yeah. All right, Alyssa.
How do you like this, Alyssa?
She's mad. So we are currently in the car, handcuffed. Getting back here was a little tricky.
No, it wasn't.
Mom, do you want a piece? I want a piece. Here.
Mine.
That's Mom. Ray, you want a piece?
Yep.
Greg, you want a piece?
No,
It's one piece. Oh my God, I just passed out gum. We are heading out to Dave & Buster's, and Alyssa's mad at me. So, yeah. You got same problem, Greg? This is like the 24-hour handcuff challenge vlog now, so don't suck it up. Oh, so you gonna do any recording today? No.
Yes.
I can't do anything. We were supposed to go to the zoo today, and it's like snowing right now or something. Would you like calm the fuck down? Like the more you get closer to this car, I'm gonna get out and beat the fucking shit out of you, little bitch.
Rob, just flick that dude off.
Yeah, well, this dude right here tried to run Mom the car over. You got a fucking problem?
paying attention, that's why.
Road rage.
The same thing.
So now we're going to Dave & Buster's. We're going to Dave & Buster's, which is like a Chuck E. Cheese. It's like a Chuck E. Cheese. If you haven't been in Chuck E. Cheese, it's like an arcade. Yeah. If you haven't been in an arcade, a bunch of games.
It's 2 floors.
They have 2
and
floors.
there's
Upstairs and downstairs.
And they have a Best Buy in their fucking
They have a Dick's Sporting Goods. They have like every store. They have a really huge Spencer's. She's going to buy more sex stuff. Wait, hold on. She got mad that she didn't say in the intro. We got these from the sex store. Yeah, we got these from a sex store, but Alyssa wanted the kinky ones, like with the fur, and I was like, Alyssa, Amanda, you wouldn't be hurting right now. I'm not hurting. Well, I am.
Probably all the way around to
It's gonna be fine.
Comprehensive review of finances, investments.
Probably.
All right. Alyssa.
They'll help you and your family.
Say hi to the cat. No? You're so cute. So, when we get out, Alyssa, what are we gonna do? I don't know. Yo, Alyssa, you're gonna like rip my hand off. It's already turning red. It's already turning red. Come closer then. I'll give you my hand. Are you done? Oh, hey, who's about to stop me? Are you done?
Choose a home equity loan from Niagara's Choice. Rates as low as 3.8.
Say hi. Say hi.
In your house back to work. Expired. Call 284 for details.
Are you serious to take the vlog? Grab the vlog.
There's never been a better time to
He took the vlog. Aiden.
He wants the camera.
Aiden, you took the watch the camera. No, because I need it so we can videotape.
I'm sorry she took your camera.
My camera. Can I see it though? Aiden, say hi. Aid the man. Yeah. He said hi earlier. I'm forever 21. Okay, so we're sort of here at Dave & Buster's. I don't know if you guys can see me. And we're at the park. Me. You. Oh, your eyes are so pretty. Look at her eyes, guys. I love my eyes. Ow. I know how it feels. I also wanted the kinky ones. I told her no. Want to get out the car? I have to wait.
Oh my fucking god, somebody kill me.
What?
Oh, we're gonna have to carry Aiden the whole time. Huh? I didn't bring his stroller. I didn't bring fucking diapers.
Nice. Allie.
Brilliant, Ray. I applaud you. Brilliant.
Right, applaud mommy.
I'm fucking brilliant.
We need to get out.
Fuck.
Yeah, Alyssa and I need to get out of the car. Ow. Hold up! Ow! Allie, oh, the bag.
Yeah, but I feel bad when everybody has to hold him.
No, it's fine. Wait! Thanks. Got this out of the car. I dropped his hat! Ow! You want his hat? Do you want his hat?
No, come on. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's cold as shit out here.
Rob, I got my butt all up on your car.
Here's his hat just in case. I'm not liking this. Can't do anything with her. Ow! Ray, Alyssa's anxious to go inside, Rob. She just like ice pop people's thing. No, I don't! So, get that camera out of my fucking face. So I'm pretty sure people think we're crazy.
Theater entrance?
What?
Do you think we can go through the movie theater
The
entrance?
best part about all this is you wear the jersey without that camera.
I really don't know. Bob said he doesn't know.
I'm wearing the one with the sock. It's freezing. I'm running with my mom. You know, if one runs, we both gotta run. One goes down.
Using the elevator or the stairs?
Up? Mama don't like the stairs. Down.
Oh, down?
We have no idea where we're going. We got Ohioans here. Ohioans.
I'm from Ohio.
She's from Ohio.
Slow Ohio.
Ohio. Oh. You came here from Ohio?
Yeah, I come here from Ohio.
She came here from Ohio.
Yeah, we're leaving the boys behind.
Oh no! Ah! She's running! So I have to run, what the fuck? Jesus Christ.
So cold. This place is fucking huge. We don't have a mall like this.
Oh, we do.
In Ohio.
Alright, we gotta stop and hold. We gotta hold up for everybody. Ow! I have to pull up my pants. Maybe not my tongue, but just my pants. You're so funny. Dude, that's a cute shirt. She won't stop running.
Stop screaming.
Okay. Well, she won't
It's
stop
embarrassing.
running. She won't stop running.
I would scream it out.
Yeah, Emily. Gang gang. We got Alyssa. We got handcuffs. Got me that I look like poo. Can I have a sip of that, babe?
I have this.
Yeah, just vlog for a little bit.
It's a haul. So in my bag, I had this.
I had to eat that whole entire part out.
Whatever.
If you're gonna do it.
Okay, I just need to do something. And my phone, whatever it's called. And I also have
I have depression.
my new Dave & Buster's thing that's really sticky. What the fuck is in here?
Aiden.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
Ugh. Ew. Okay. So yeah, we're just sitting here at
Yeah,
hockey.
we're sitting here.
We're just sitting here at hockey. I need batteries.
Oh, my battery's low. What the fuck? Because it's cold. It's cold. I just blinded myself.
Do you see that? Do you see him? Where is he?
He's not over here. Alright, no more about Rob. It's all about Emma. Oh wait, I gotta like zoom this out so we don't zoom in. Look at my babe. Look at my baby girl. This is my baby girl. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna beat it. I'm not gonna beat it. No. Alright.
This video is not sponsored by the app Flow.
By the app Flow. Hi.
They're still handcuffed, by the way.
We're still handcuffed. You are holding the camera wrong. That's okay. There you go. This is not sponsored by the app Flow, guys.
She's been really annoying. I can't really see what she's doing.
I'm literally just playing Flow.
Hey, I like you and your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my head. Hey, my bitch don't want me no more. Hey, she can go me. I'm like, well, hey.
Depression, hey.
Anxiety, hey.
I want to kill myself, hey.
Hey, you want a date or not? You want a date or not? Oh, man.
I'm under pressure, guys. Under pressure.
Remember when babe was such a huge word?
Yeah. Alright,
Almost done.
we'll be back in a little bit. Bye, guys.